There are some other cool features that you have options for when using a Google form. First of all, if your questions and you want to reorder them, you can. All you simply have to do is click on a question, and you see how you have the blue bar down the side? Then you can drag the question where you want it to go, and where that blue bar C appears is where it's going to appear. So you can reorder your questions by just clicking and dragging. So if by accident you put them in the wrong order, you can reorder them. Also, under Add an Item, there's a few other items. You can add a section header, which means if you want to title a section, so I can say Add Item Section Header. I can call this the Professional Development section. You can put in a description if you want to. And if I don't want it here, because obviously there's nothing below it, I can click and drag it above where I would like it to be. So it just makes a section header. Now, if you want another page, for example, so people aren't scrolling down, or when you learn about branching forms, you'll need to add a page. How you can do that is a page break. So you can name the page if you want to. Notice it is optional, and the description is optional. So if I just want to call it page 2, I hit done, and notice here's my page break. Now I can move it. I can drag it up just like I did other things. And then page 2 is now here. So you can separate pages and you can add section headers. Another thing you can do is insert an image. Now you have a couple of different choices. You have it stored in Google Drive, you have the URL, or you can upload an image that you have. So if I want to choose an image to upload, I can go find an image, open it up, and there's the image. You can add an image title. You can also add hover text. So basically what it means is if the image doesn't appear right away, you will see this text. You can also change the image. Right here you can center it, make it left alignment or right alignment, and that's what it looks like. So if I go to view the live form and see now I'm on another page, sorry, it won't let me go unless I fill out these questions. So I'm just going to type something in just so you can see, because those questions are required. See, it wouldn't let me continue. Go to the next page. There's what your image looks like. You also can add a video, but I also want to tell you something about adding the image. If you have images in your Google Drive, you can click on Google Drive, find your image that might be saved somewhere in Google Drive. So there's an image, select it, it's there as well, the image. You can resize the image if it's too big by clicking on it and dragging from the corners, and you can change the size of your image. You can also add video. Now unfortunately it has to be a YouTube video. I don't know why, but they do not accept even a video uploaded into Google Drive. So you need to have the URL from the video. So if you do, you just paste it and hit select. And you can do the same things. There's a video title. You can have a caption for the video. So I can say Google Forms, and I can put the caption created by Joel. And then when I hit done, now once again, if you want to see what it really looks like, you have to go to the live form. But first, if you want to make the video bigger, because it comes in at this size, just like an image, click on it and drag out of the corners. and it'll be bigger. So if I now go to Done Again, after I resized it, and View in the live form, I can scroll down, and there's my video in a size that's better.
Let's go over how you can create.
And that are some additional features of Google Forms.